Welcome to New York City, family travelers, one of the most iconic cities in the world. If you're planning to travel with your family and kids, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to explore New York City with young adventurers, enjoying attractions, activities, and moments that everyone will love. New York City is a vibrant metropolis filled with energy, diversity, and a unique atmosphere. Known as the city that never sleeps, it captivates with its dynamic pulse. Skyscrapers dominate the skyline, and each neighborhood offers its own distinct personality, from Manhattan's sleek, modern vibe to Brooklyn's artistic charm. Here you'll find an incredible blend of cultures reflected in its cuisine, arts, and music. The streets are alive with flavors from all over the world, the sounds of various languages, and the lively pace of locals, dynamic and welcoming, always ready to embrace something new. New York's attractions are endless, from the Statue of Liberty and the Empire State Building to Times Square and Central Park. There's a palpable sense of freedom and opportunity that permeates the city, making you feel like anything is possible. Simply put, New York City is a destination that surpasses expectations, creating lasting memories and unforgettable experiences. For a family trip to New York with kids, here are some exciting places and activities everyone will enjoy. 1. Central Park. This is the green heart of New York City and one of the most famous parks in the world. Located in the heart of Manhattan, it spans more than 843 acres, offering a serene escape in the middle of a bustling city. Perfect for families, the park features playgrounds, a carousel, a boating lake, and the Central Park Zoo. Its paths are ideal for walks, biking, or picnics, while iconic spots like Bethesda Terrace and Strawberry Fields make for great photo opportunities. In the winter, enjoy ice skating, and year-round there are outdoor performances and concerts. Central Park is the perfect place for relaxation, exploration, and fun for all ages. 2. American Museum of Natural History. Adjacent to Central Park, this museum is a fantastic destination for families with kids. It features impressive exhibits including massive dinosaur skeletons, the 94-foot-long blue whale, and the Hayden Planetarium, which takes visitors on a journey through the universe. Kids will love the interactive activities, cultural displays, and halls showcasing animals and plants from around the world. Combining learning and fun, this museum offers an unforgettable experience for the whole family. 3. Times Square. Known as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is located at the intersection of Broadway and 7th Avenue in Manhattan. Famous for its bright LED lights, massive billboards, and endless energy, it's one of New York's busiest attractions. It hosts renowned Broadway theaters like The Lion King and family-friendly shops like MM's World and the Disney Store. At night, Times Square transforms into a dazzling, illuminated spectacle. It's also world-famous for its New Year's Eve ball drop. It's the perfect spot for photos, street performers, and experiencing New York's unique vibe. 4. The Empire State Building. This iconic skyscraper offers breathtaking views of New York City from observation decks on the 86th and 102nd floors. Built in 1931, it showcases Art Deco architecture and a rich history. From here you can see the Manhattan skyline, Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and more. Open from early morning until late at night, it's great for both romantic evenings and family visits. Be sure to book tickets online to avoid lines and make the most of this unforgettable experience. 5. Top of the Rock. Located atop Rockefeller Center, this observation deck provides stunning 360-degree views of New York City. It's famous for its views of Central Park to the north and the Empire State Building to the south. Unlike other observation decks, Top of the Rock features glass panels, ensuring unobstructed photo opportunities. It's less crowded, making it an ideal spot for families. Visiting in the afternoon is perfect for catching the sunset and seeing the city lights come alive at night. 6. Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. These historic landmarks offer a glimpse into the history of freedom and immigration. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France, stands proudly on Liberty Island, while Ellis Island was the main entry point for millions of immigrants. Visitors can take a ferry from Battery Park to explore the Ellis Island Museum, learn about immigrant experiences, and enjoy panoramic views from the statue's base, or its crown with a reservation. These sites are a powerful blend of history, culture, and unforgettable imagery. 7. The High Line. This unique elevated park, built on an old railway track, stretches from the Meatpacking District to Hudson Yards. It offers a scenic route through lush greenery, modern art installations, and stunning views of Manhattan's skyline. Ideal for a family stroll, the park also features benches, rest areas, and food kiosks. Kids will love the open play areas, while adults can appreciate the architecture and urban design. 8. Brooklyn Bridge and Brooklyn Bridge Park. Walking across the Brooklyn Bridge is a quintessential New York experience. The Gothic stone arches and steel cables offer panoramic views of Manhattan's skyline and the Statue of Liberty. On the Brooklyn side, the Brooklyn Bridge Park is perfect for relaxation, with playgrounds, walking and biking trails and picnic areas. Nearby, the Dumbo neighborhood is full of charming cafes and street art, making it great for post-bridge exploration. 9. An NBA experience in New York. Watching an NBA game in New York is a fantastic way to soak in the atmosphere of professional basketball and witness top-tier athletes in action. In the city you can catch the New York Knicks at the historic Madison Square Garden or the Brooklyn Nets at the modern Barclays Center. The experience includes impressive pre-game shows, kid-friendly activities, delicious food options and souvenir shops. The energy of the crowd, the live reactions and the high-quality gameplay make every game a unique event. Purchase tickets online in advance to ensure the best prices and seats, and enjoy an authentic American sports experience. Whether you're a basketball enthusiast or just looking to try something different in New York, an NBA game is a must-see. Tickets for NBA games in New York are available through official websites like Ticketmaster or authorized resellers. It's recommended to book early to secure the best seats and prices while ensuring authenticity. Embrace the electric energy of the NBA and enjoy an unforgettable game. Where to stay in New York City? For a family visiting New York City, there are several neighborhoods that offer comfort, safety, and easy access to attractions. Midtown, Manhattan. This is the heart of the city, providing convenient access to major landmarks like the Empire State Building, Rockefeller Center, and Times Square. The area also has plenty of dining, shopping, and entertainment options within walking distance. However, it can be noisy and expensive, so look for hotels with good reviews and family-friendly amenities. Upper West Side. This family-friendly neighborhood features beautiful green spaces like Central Park and Riverside Park. It's also close to the American Museum of Natural History and offers a safe, quiet atmosphere perfect for families. It's ideal for those looking for a relaxed environment with easy access to kid-friendly activities. Although it's slightly further from Times Square, it has excellent public transportation connections. Upper East Side. One of the safest and most family-friendly areas in the city, this neighborhood is near museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Guggenheim. Central Park is also just a short walk away. While quieter, the Upper East Side has good transportation links to other parts of Manhattan. Greenwich Village or Chelsea. These trendy neighborhoods boast unique cafes, small parks, and picturesque corners. They're also close to attractions like the High Line and have direct access to restaurants and the Chelsea Market. They're less crowded with tourists, yet still provide easy access to most major attractions via the subway. Lower Manhattan or the Financial District. Located near attractions like the Statue of Liberty, the 9/11 Memorial, and Wall Street, this area is quiet at night and offers more budget-friendly accommodation options. While primarily a business district, it's a great choice for families seeking a calm atmosphere. The Upper West Side or Midtown Manhattan are some of the best choices for families, offering a mix of safety, proximity to attractions, and a welcoming atmosphere. For a more affordable and peaceful option, Lower Manhattan is an excellent alternative. Accommodation options. Family hotel rooms in New York City with ratings above 8 out of 10 typically range from 250 to 500 euros per night depending on location, season, and amenities. Apartments are often a more budget-friendly option for families, providing extra space and amenities like kitchens, allowing you to prepare meals and save on dining costs. They also offer a more relaxed, homey feel, which is particularly helpful when traveling with kids. Apartments typically range from 150 to 350 euros per night for a well-rated unit. Prices vary depending on location, season, and features. Platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo offer many family-friendly apartment options in New York City. Booking in advance is recommended, especially if you have specific preferences or are traveling during peak seasons. Best ways to get around in New York City. New York City offers excellent transportation options. Subway. The subway is the fastest and most affordable way to get around the city. You can purchase unlimited Metro cards for 7 days, which offer unlimited rides on subways and buses. Many stations are equipped with elevators, making them stroller-friendly. Buses. New York City buses are a great option if you want to see the city from above without walking too much. They also cover areas that are not served by the subway. Hop-on, hop-off buses. These tourist buses are very popular with families as they offer the chance to see major attractions without continuous walking. You can hop on and off at stops near landmarks like the Empire State Building, Central Park, and the American Museum of Natural History, all while enjoying city views from the upper deck. Taxis and ride-shares like Uber and Lyft. The classic yellow taxis are everywhere and are convenient for short trips, especially if you're carrying a lot of items. Rideshare platforms like Uber and Lyft are also user-friendly, though traffic can make these rides more expensive and slower. Ferries and boats. For areas along the rivers, the NYC ferry provides scenic and affordable routes, offering stunning views of Manhattan from the water. The Staten Island Ferry, which is free, also provides excellent views of the Statue of Liberty. Using a combination of these options will allow you to navigate the city comfortably and enjoy all its corners with your family. Where to eat and what to try in New York City. New York City is home to countless family-friendly dining options that combine delicious flavors with a welcoming atmosphere for kids. Here are some top recommendations for where to eat and what to try. Ellen's Stardust Diner in Times Square, a one-of-a-kind diner where singing servers entertain guests with live Broadway performances. What to try: classic American dishes like burgers, mac and cheese, and pancakes. Shake Shack, at Madison Square Park in multiple locations. Famous for its mouth-watering burgers and crispy fries, this is perfect for a quick and tasty meal outdoors. What to try: burgers, hot dogs, and their iconic milkshakes. Joe's Pizza in Greenwich Village, a classic New York pizza experience that both kids and adults will love. What to try: a large slice of traditional pepperoni or margarita pizza. Serendipity 3 on the Upper East Side, a legendary restaurant known for its enchanting decor and oversized desserts. What to try: the famous frozen hot chocolate and artistic desserts that look as good as they taste. Chelsea Market in the Meatpacking District, a multicultural food hall with endless choices for every palate. What to try: tacos, pizza, lobster rolls, and freshly baked pastries. Junior's Cheesecake in Brooklyn and Times Square, renowned for its authentic New York cheesecake and cozy, family-friendly atmosphere. What to try: cheesecake, plus comfort food classics like roasted chicken or mac and cheese. Lombardi's Pizza in Nolita, known as New York's first pizzeria, offering wood-fired pizzas in a traditional setting. What to try: classic margarita pizza with fresh mozzarella and basil. These spots not only serve great food but also provide memorable dining experiences for the whole family, making your New York adventure even more special. So, let's talk about some safety tips for visiting New York City. While the city is generally safe, especially in tourist areas, there are certain neighborhoods and situations where, a little extra caution is advisable. Some areas in the Bronx, for instance. While safety has significantly improved, neighborhoods like the South Bronx may be less secure, particularly at night. If you plan to visit attractions in the Bronx, like the Zoo or Yankee Stadium, it's a good idea to stick to well-known tourist areas. Then we have East New York and Brownsville and Brooklyn. These neighborhoods are considered higher-risk areas. If you don't have a specific reason to visit, it's best to avoid them, especially when you're traveling with children. Parts of Harlem, especially East Harlem, also deserve a mention. While Harlem is generally safe and offers many historic sites, some eastern sections can be less secure. It's wise to stick to well-populated areas and avoid isolated spots at night. And parks and remote areas at night can be a bit tricky too. Parks like Central Park are better visited during the day. Avoid secluded areas in parks or other parts of the city after dark. By following these basic precautions, most areas of New York City are completely safe for families visiting the city. Stick to well-lit, busy areas and plan your activities for daylight hours when possible. When to visit New York City. Apart from the magical yet crowded Christmas season, The best times for a family trip to New York City are spring and fall. These seasons offer mild temperatures and fewer tourists, making them ideal for exploring the city with kids. Spring, from April to June, brings temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities like visiting Central Park and botanical gardens. Plus, spring is considered a shoulder season, so prices are typically better compared to summer and Christmas. Fall, from September to November, also brings pleasant, cool weather, with temperatures ranging from 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius in September, gradually getting cooler through November. The city is especially beautiful during this time, with parks showcasing vibrant autumn colors. September can be slightly pricier due to the end of summer vacations, but prices gradually drop toward November. Early summer, particularly June, is an excellent time as it's cooler and less crowded. Summer in New York is lively and packed with events, though July and August can be hot. During June, kids can enjoy outdoor activities like playing in Central Park, outdoor pools, and summer festivals. Best seasons for families. Spring and fall are ideal for families with kids due to the mild weather and enjoyable atmosphere. During these times, the city is less crowded, attractions are more accessible, and there are plenty of fun outdoor activities to enjoy. Where to shop in New York City? New York City offers a variety of shopping destinations and malls where families can find quality products at reasonable prices. Here are some recommendations. Shopping malls. Westfield World Trade Center, located in Lower Manhattan, features a variety of stores with affordable options. It's also known for its stunning architecture and a wide range of dining choices. The Shops at Columbus Circle, situated near Central Park, has mid-range stores, making it a great choice for family shopping. Outlet malls. Woodbury Common Premium Outlets, located about an hour north of New York City, offers discounts on popular brands. It's ideal for families seeking high-quality items at lower prices. Shopping streets. 34th Street, also known as Herald Square, is home to large department stores like Macy's and other affordable retail shops. It's a central location with a variety of shopping options. Fifth Avenue, below 42nd Street, while famous for luxury shopping, the southern part of Fifth Avenue features more accessible options, such as chain stores and fast fashion retailers. How many days do you need in New York City? To fully enjoy New York City, especially when traveling with family and kids, a 5 to 7 day trip is ideal. This time frame allows you to see the main attractions, explore different neighborhoods, and enjoy various activities at a comfortable pace. A 5-day itinerary could look like this. Day 1. Explore Times Square and visit the Empire State Building or Top of the Rock for city views. Day 2. Spend the day at Central Park, visit the American Museum of Natural History, and explore the Upper West Side. Day 3. Take a cruise on the Hudson River to see the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, then explore the Financial District and the 9/11 Memorial. Day 4. Walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, visit Dumbo in Brooklyn, and relax at Brooklyn Bridge Park. Day 5. Enjoy a relaxed day shopping and dining. Tips for a great visit. 1. Wear comfortable shoes as you'll be walking a lot. 2. Plan ahead and book tickets to major attractions early to avoid long lines. 3. Don't miss trying street food from food carts around the city. New York City is a vibrant place filled with history and unique experiences for the entire family. I hope this guide inspires you to create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you on the next trip, family travelers. Cut.